In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Wi-Fi option is not showing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then you have to click on Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System and then scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Click on that. Then click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So run the network and internet troubleshooter. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. What that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing and your Windows, and that will also give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. After running the network and internet troubleshooter, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Click on ncpa.cpl control panel item. Locate your network adapter. So this is your network adapter, the one that is in the green bars because that means that is enabled. So what you can do is you need to make a right click and then select disable. Disable it for some time, and then you have to make a right click again, select enable. And as you can see, by enabling it, disabling and enabling it, that will refresh it. Now this will identify for the connection on your Windows, and now you're connected. And that will be showing from here in the taskbar. So that's it. And again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.